Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean audio in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now all you need to do is to open your project, and basically you can do that by going to the file menu and then click on open project, or you simply can create a new project. After that, you will be needing to simply uh, add in your footage. So you can go to media and then you can start like adding your media by dragging drop your media or clips. Now we will have this audio or this video that has this audio. So basically either you can let's detach it in this case. So I'm just going to detach it just in this video. So here we can see like the audio panel. So from here, we can start like seeing many things that you can use to start like using or to cleaning your uh, audio. And the best way to do it is by using the AI. So basically, you will be able either to do it manually by adding wind removal, the denoise, etc., or you can simply just leave the AI do all these things. So the AI will analyze the whole audio. It will see like all the noises, the wind, noise, and everything. And then it will start like adjusting all these settings automatically so you can have like a clean audio. So as you can see, I have added the AI voice enhancer, and from here you will be like just trying here and seeing many combination and then until you get the best result. And basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.